More news coming in. These are hotels. Unions now meeting the State Civil Supplies Ministry. This is the Maharashtra eatery body called Ahar. Is seeking the government's intervention as far as crisis of the LPG is concerned. The Food Minister, Chhagan Bhujbal, to address the assembly, talk about what the government is doing to help everyone who have raised concerns around LPG crisis. The government to clarify on gas supply status.
सर हमारे 2 घंटे में दुकान बंद होने वाली है क्योंकि हमारे पास ये यहाँ बताइए उनको ये सिर्फ ये खाली है और ये इतना ही बचा है और हमारी होटल छोटी है। यहाँ से मोस्टली सब होटल 400-500 फुट या 600 फुट के होते हैं। वहाँ उनको स्टोरेज करने का कोई मौका नहीं रहता। 1 दिन या 1.5 दिन का वो स्टोरेज रख सकते हैं और आज ये हालत है कि हम सभी होटल बंद होने वाले हैं। ये बड़ी दुख की बात है कि ये सब 7 दिन से चल रहा है। गवर्नमेंट को पता है, हमारे आमदार खासदार कॉर्पोरेटर को पता है कि ये होने वाला है, मगर कोई भी गवर्नमेंट या हमारे आमदार खासदार कॉर्पोरेटर ने इसके बारे में कोई हमको चेतावनी नहीं दी है कि हमको हमारे प्लानिंग नहीं किया या हमसे संपर्क करने की भी कोशिश नहीं की है। बड़ी दुख की बात है कि हम हॉकर्स के बारे में जरूर बात करते जोर शोर से, मगर कानूनी जो दुकानें हैं जिसके वजह से आपको पगार मिलता है, आपको मजा सब एमिनिटीज मिलती है, उसके बारे में हमारे आमदार खासदार कॉर्पोरेटर जो है वो बिल्कुल चुप है। ये बड़ी दुख की बात है।
Straight across to Mustafa, getting in more details on that story. The government also to speak about this and talk about how they're addressing the situation within the assembly. Mustafa?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Please repeat your question.
Mustafa, if you can hear me, I was asking you about how the minister concerned here would probably be addressing the assembly to talk about the LPG crisis.
Yes, of course. Civil Supply Minister Chhagan Bhujbal has been informed about the issue and he will, at the assembly section of Maharashtra is going on, he will brief the assembly. 2 important things. 1, the supply related issue. 2, the government focusing mainly on the LPG supply into the household so that there is no shortage in that. But that is having an impact on the commercial LPG supply, and hence the restaurants are saying that they don't have the LPG to run for more than 2 days now. So there is some imbalance which the government will have to strike and some resolution which will have to be brought in. There are a lot of wedding and marriage bookings which have also happened if commercial gas supplies stop. So that functions or the eking out, these are things which will get impacted. So we are expecting that once the minister addresses, there will be some solution given by the state government. Back to you.
That's right. I'm going to thank you for the moment, Mustafa.